here I got more eBay packages. I'm unboxing them. I got most of the shipping labels off. Just gotta be a little bit careful because there's one on the inside. But hopefully I won't show it. It's not mine though, but just don't want to show the seller's address either. Privacy invasion. I got it open. So hopefully it will be open. Just ordered one of these. Would have gotten two if I had the extra money. I really hope to get another one though eventually. It's very small though. It's only a 5-inch speaker. Wow, it's nicely packaged. Just a little speaker. 5-inch. I think. These are the speakers you typically see on school buses. It's not horrible. It's a very good brand though. It's a budget speaker. Looks pretty cute. I don't know why people think these are horrible. They're not. It's actually a lot better than like a boombox speaker. Than the next package. Wiring. This goes to like one of the speakers. It's a lot of wire. Of course, it's a lot because it belongs to like a school. It's a power supply unit. Very nice. Came in good condition. Okay. These are heavy. Sort of smartboard speakers. These are used. I'm sure they work though. They come with 3-inch speakers. Hopefully they don't have any foam rot or anything like that. Don't think so. These are really good quality. Very heavy. They have really good bass too. I remember hearing them back in the day. Just a bit of chipped wood, but just very slightly. It's not gonna affect the sound quality. But not bad. These are not bulky at all. Plus, they can be hung on the wall. Could like modify them and make them like they can stand up and stuff. I got 2 woofers and 1 tweeter. That's very good. For stereo. For a smartboard, these are very good speakers. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this shit up. Hopefully test these and stuff. So yep, thanks for watching.